do my suspension today, a tuning at Foster in Bandar Sunway. So they are known to be known as one of the best for tuning adjustable high-low soft body shift suspension, and I'm about to reach it in a moment. I'm here at Foster. So my car's at the back. So I'm here for my 12:30 appointment. So SOP comes first, yeah. For the tune up. Okay, time for the adjustment for my Savvy. So this is my project lah, second project for tuning. Tadi tu dah buat dyno, so we know the horsepower now. Nak shock lah yang corner pula. So we're going for a test drive to validate some of the comments that I would like to improve my car. Hope I can get back its youth. Actually, I've been using a refurbished HWL. I used to use this HWL high-low soft body shift. Now I would like to tune it like normal. Yeah, it's a classic Porsche. My car is coming in at the moment. So we have discovered that my lower arm doesn't have two lock nuts under it. No wonder my car has a lot of free play along all this while. It's actually dangerous because I would like to corner my car. Luckily nothing happened. Thank you for the discovery. Luckily, have good technicians that are handling my car right now. So they advised me to change the nuts due to the vibration. So now the grooves have been smooth, so actually it's quite dangerous to drive lah. But this is what happens when you change a lot of hands lah. But it's better to recommend to only select a trusted mechanic ataupun expertise to handle your absorbers. This is the alignment process. After a long day tuning and also fixing my alignments and also my camber, so today has come to an end, and also my absorber has been tuned by Foster. And I would like to say I hope the expectation for this adjustment can be as good as what I used to feel and experience back in 2019. So Foster did share some of the insights and some of the recommendations, and also some of the things that has been done. And inshallah I can see the results soon. Now due to the movement control order and also the rainy season, I don't think that I could test my car in the curbs of the corner anytime soon. So let's see how it forms. Does it form like what I experienced before with this new set of tyre, Bridgestone Potenza RE04, or otherwise? So never mind. I would like to experience that. Maybe new can be better. Let's hope so.